everyone, today I would like to show you this vacuum cleaner with a large dust cup with speed controller and plus powerful motor. So let me take from the back. I love the design, it's super cute. It's 2 wheels. Alright, 5 brushes. This is the main brush, and the smallest one for corners, for couch. Comes with installation. Another smaller brush to vacuum under the couch. Okay. This is all accessories. Alright, I'm gonna install it and here. And just turn it to the side. This part you can always extend, guys, right here. And main brush done. All right, if you want to clean your floors, just leave it this way. If you want to clean your carpet, press this button and brushes will come out to clean your rugs. Long cord and easy back. All right, as well you can adjust the power here. Dust inside. Perfect. Guys, I will send this vacuum for review, and I love this 5 brushes. You can clean your couch, rugs, corners. Powerful and pretty small. You can always buy it on Amazon.